me to run a 5K this morning. Treadmill, of course, because we're on wind watch in Oklahoma and it's dusty outside. I don't know where my running glasses are, so, and also I don't want to get trampled by a tree limb or something. So yeah, come run with me on the treadmill. Let's do a workout today, but we're gonna do it at Crunch. One good thing about a gym workout is I don't have to bring much of anything because all I'm doing is running, but I'm gonna warm up with my jump rope, of course. But that is the one good thing. I guess I don't bring anything when I'm running outside either, so I'm bringing more now.
What you gonna do when you have, when you ain't just like that, don't